we are at a stop higher in Garachico, where you can see all the city down there. It's just beautiful, guys. I hope you enjoyed the view.
Garachico is very often punished by nature. The last time that it happened was 2 months ago. Maybe you've seen it on television, that there was a northwest storm with waves of 8 meters high. You know, the ocean always tries to take back what once belonged to her, because Garachico is land gained over the sea. Now, 8 meters high, and along the coast there were little bars, restaurants, gift shops and ice cream shops, supermarkets, and all that has been destroyed. Also the fence nearby the coast, and it's still not repaired. J'ai dit avant, parce que à Garachico seulement des groupes qui vont manger là peuvent s'arrêter et aller jusqu'au resto, parce que même pour aller jusqu'au centre c'est coupé et c'est cassé en maison. Il y a des familles qui ont perdu leur maison, leurs appartements, tout ça. Et c'est pour ça qu'on va passer lentement pour la côte, comme ça vous pouvez voir qu'est-ce qui s'est passé. Et on va aller jusqu'au point de vue de l'autre côté, comme ça vous avez aussi une vue de l'autre côté sur Garachico. Gara rock, rocher, rots, chico, small, petit, klein. Because of the rock on the right hand side, à cause du rocher qu'on voit à notre main droite. Then the fortress of San Miguel, the fortress de San Miguel, and the fortress of San Miguel. There's loads of these fortresses on the island, because very often the islands was attacked by pirates. On voit beaucoup de forteresses sur l'île, parce que souvent il y avait des attaques de piraten, heel vaak zien we forten op ons eiland, omdat heel vaak de eilanden aangevallen. And then a bit further we will stop at the viewpoint, the emigrants viewpoint. You see a statue of a man where his heart should be. There's a big hole. He left it behind when he left the island. Behind him he's got 5 suitcases, the 5 continents. Et dans le point de vue de l'immigrant, on va s'arrêter. Vous voyez la statue d'un homme. Dans la poitrine, il y a un grand trou. Manque le cœur. Il a laissé le cœur ici quand on est parti. Derrière lui, il a 5 valises.
I don't know if you can see the hole.
From tourism. Donc, vous pouvez s'imaginer vivre ici. Hein, c'était jamais facile. Maintenant, non plus. Toujours pas. Mais les gens ici, avant, tout le monde a eu son petit jardin avec toutes les choses nécessaires. Le boulanger, il vient tous les jours. Ça, c'est la meilleure chose. Mais maintenant, les gens d'ici, ils vivent du tourisme, bien sûr. Que de tourisme. La deuxième place plus visitée. Et pourquoi est-ce que les premiers gens sont venus ici pour vivre? Il y avait de l'eau, des terrains fertiles, la terre fertile et tranquille entre la nature et personne n'a connu ce coin de l'île.
Hi guys, so now we are in the little village of Masca, where it's really separate from civilization. When I say civilization, it's really separate because they want it to be isolated from the tourism, because all the island right now live from tourism. So all of the people know each other. There's just a little bar where you can have a drink, but everyone know each other. And it's really quiet. So I hope you enjoy the view. It's different here. It's not really cold, but it's not warm as well. It's a mountain. So this is the village of Masca.
From Masca you can see the ocean, isn't it? But when you are in front of Los Gigantes cliffs on a boat, you don't see this village. It's hidden here in the valley.
Hi guys, I'm in a party in Las Veronicas in Las Playa de las Americanas. Estamos en we are in jumping jacks in party place. We're gonna have a good night. Hopefully you're gonna have a good night. Are you ready? Okay guys, just for you to see Las Victorias, Las Veronicas, sorry guys, is a party area where there is a lot of kind of bar, dancing bar where all the young people are going, like when I say young, between 20, 35 around people, so it's a good area because you don't pay the entrance because it's like kind of bar, but at the same time the drinks are not too expensive and you can dance and party. Just to let you know, if you're looking for a place to go party, this is the right place. And in comparison to Achaman was more my major people, like I mean older people, we're more around 30, than here is more younger. Right now I'm in front of Papagayo, who is in Las Victorias as well. It's a really famous club to go, but right now at this time it's like 1 o'clock, it's really empty. My mates from party. So we're looking and we're seeing, like for now it's a bit early, it's crazy, like the people really go around 1 o'clock to go party. Then it's really chill still, so we went out at 10 o'clock and it's really chill. It's 1 o'clock, Papagayo is still quiet as you can see.
Yeah, but it's 10 euros for...
Oh really?
Yeah.
Even Friday night and there is nobody. Well, we go back to jumping jack right now, I guess. Yeah. Because that is busy and you don't pay the entrance, so... Well, see you. Hi guys, I'm in Papagayos. Yeah, I am in the... Sorry if you can't see me, I'm in the beach side. Close to the beach right now, I don't know if you can see the beach. So what I can say is like the night is wonderful and we can see actually the stars. That's just beautiful at night. This is the beach at night, guys. As you can see, we can see really well the city and the stars as well. It's just wonderful. It's quiet. You can see the sea.